In this video, I'm going to build a homepage using Lovable. Lovable is a platform that lets you create software and websites with AI in minutes. Then, I'll combine it with ClonewebX to convert the result into WordPress and Webflow. After that, I can easily customize the content and elements using a drag-and-drop environment. Let's get started. First, sign up for a trial plan on Lovable. It gives you 5 free credits every day. Simply describe your idea in your own words and watch it transform into a fully functional website. Then, get a ClonewebX license. For just $10, you unlock all features. Now, you need a solid prompt to use with Lovable. To do that, I'll ask ChatGPT for help. You can also use Grok, DeepSeek, or any other AI tool for this step. For example, I want to create a basic homepage for a pet-related website. The site will focus on dogs and cats. It will include basic sections like a header, hero, features, and you can add any sections to fit your plan. There are many elements to consider when designing a website, but I'll focus mainly on colors and typography. Now, let's go to ColorHunt to find a color palette. There are so many beautiful palettes. For example, I'll choose the most popular one of the year. Let's copy these color codes and use them for ChatGPT. For more accuracy, you can specify which ones are primary and secondary colors. Next, I'll pick my favorite fonts for the website. For instance, I want to use the same fonts as this website. You can press F12 or right-click and choose Inspect to check which fonts are being used. For headings, the font is Hey Comic. Similar, keep checking the font of texts. For body text, the font is Rubik. You can also define details like gaps, spacing, padding, and margins. But I think this is enough for my demonstration. After all, click on Submit button and wait the result. Alright, here we go. Now, I have a well-prepared prompt to generate my website. It includes the key specifications, color, and typography. I'll submit this prompt to Lovable. As you can see, Lovable immediately starts coding. Let's wait a few minutes for it to process. Wow, that's amazing. The result is even better than I expected. In this section, we even get an animation effect. I guarantee it would take you days to build this manually from scratch. Okay, now I'll add more sections to make the website longer. You can refer to your preferred websites or available templates. This featured section looks great. I'll capture it and ask Lovable to create something similar. That's incredible. I can't believe it cloned exactly what I requested. Let's add another section, like a review section. Once again, I'll capture it and ask Lovable to generate it. That's great. It even includes a slider. Honestly, I'm really happy with this result. Now, I'll publish it and preview the website. The hero section looks fantastic, with beautiful colors and fonts. In the next section, we have the features information with 3 columns. And here's a well-designed products section. Everything looks great. At this point, I'll transfer the homepage to Elementor using ClonewebX. Log into your account and create a new project. For details on using ClonewebX, check our tutorial series for a step-by-step guide. Make sure to scroll to the bottom of the page. This ensures all elements are fully loaded. Select the appropriate project and click Add Page. You'll be redirected to a simulation tab. Here's the ClonewebX control panel. You can adjust the parameters for your output. Click directly on the page to select elements, or type in the panel to refine your selection. There's also an option to clone the entire page. When using a page builder, you can choose your preferred one. For this demo, I'll pick Elementor. There are some important setup steps. First, install the necessary plugin and enable Flexbox. Don't forget to activate this powerful feature. For other settings, you can use the default options or customize them. Now, click Export to start the cloning process. In a few moments, your data will be copied to the clipboard. After that, switch to Elementor and paste it directly into the canvas. Right-click and choose Paste from another site. Confirm by pressing Ctrl+V. And there you have it. The content appears instantly. Everything is made up of native Elementor widgets. We have headings, dynamic card boxes, and images. You can easily replace any element. For example, I'll change this image. Nice! I really like this section. For the testimonial section, I'll replace the images as well. Looks great, doesn't it? We also have repeaters for the card boxes. Next, here's the events section. Editing the content is super easy. And in the Follow Us section, you can add your social links. Finally, here's the footer. You can duplicate menu items to add more links. Let's check the responsiveness. On tablets, the layout might not be as good as the desktop version, but you can adjust it using Elementor's controls. On mobile, everything looks great. By optimizing input in Lovable, you can significantly enhance your results with ClonewebX. Similarly, you can get the same results in Gutenberg. The output is entirely composed of native WordPress elements. And here's how it looks in bricks. If you're a Webflow user, you can follow the same steps. I hope this method helps speed up your workflow and makes website creation much easier for you. With AI-powered tools like Lovable and ClonewebX, you can save countless hours of manual work. This is a fun and exciting way to explore the future of web development. Let me know if you found this guide helpful.